Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can hide and unhide the message in your Viber application. So Viber is a cross-platform voice over IP and instant messaging software application owned by Japanese multinational company Rakuten. So you use Viber for messaging your friends and families or calling them, and you want to hide some of your chats but you can't figure out how you can do it. You've clicked on the right video. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to hide or unhide a message in your Viber application. So in order to hide or unhide a message in Viber application, what you want to do is open the Viber application. Once you open the Viber application, look for the message that you want to hide. So the hiding process is pretty simple, but the complicated one is the unhiding process. So to hide the message, what you want to do is locate the message that you want to hide, long press on the message, then a drop down menu like this will open. Here the fourth option must be labeled as Hide Chat. So to hide the chat, what you want to do is tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, Viber will ask you to create a pin for your security message. So create a pin for your security. Once you do that, you can see that the message is removed from your home screen. So the message has been hidden. Now the complicated part, the unhiding process of the message. To do that, what you want to do is go to the search bar, then search the contact that you want to unhide. Once you search for the contact that you want to unhide, you'll see something like this. Now what you want to do is open that contact. Now Viber will ask you the security pin that you created last time. So go ahead and enter the security pin. Once you enter the security pin, what you want to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, go into chat info. From this list, the last option must be labeled as unhide this chat. Tap on that. Then again enter the pin that you created. Once you do that, you can see that the label is changed as hide this chat. Now go to your home page. Once you go to your home page, you can see that the message is back in your home page and it's unhidden now. So that was the simple process to hide or unhide the message in Viber. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.